We're back with the Project Miata. A while back, Lau Pacino picked up this 99 10th anniversary Miata, the one that Lau Pacino replaced his 2019 that he took skydiving, almost killed himself. Anyways, one of the requirements was that I continue to do work for him and help him out with his cars, is that he gets a roll bar, because in this car there is no roll bar or roll hoops for that matter. So I said, Lau Pacino, you're gonna get new Miata, well, old new Miata, you have to get a roll bar or I'm not gonna let this thing leave my house. So it's still here. As you can see, the car's been sitting for a while, pretty much since we bought it. It's got all kinds of debris there, and we've done quite a few things to it. All the maintenance stuff on the vehicle since we bought it, and brakes and other things, all factory parts for now. Haven't really moved into the performance route yet, as we are trying to get a feel of it to see what it needs for its continued life with Lau Pacino. After searching and kind of checking out what people said about roll bars and etc., we decided to go ahead and get a Blackbird Fabworks GT3, which is a pretty nice looking bar. So we ordered one up the other day. This is gonna be fun, exciting time. We bought a Blackbird Fabworks roll bar for Lau Pacino's new old Miata, and it has arrived. Installation time is happening now. All right, exciting moment. This is the roll bar for Chase. So we're gonna open this up and see what it looks like. All right, so there's the roll bar. And it's a bot, right? Yeah, and where's the bot gonna go? Chase! Chase! That's right. So here it is with the box. Looks really good. They package it really well.
We can use this as a racing pad. This circled one.
Racing around the bot, the roll bar bot. That's gonna protect Lau Pacino in Chase. Yeah. Are you winning?
Huh?
Are you winning?
I think so.
Oh yeah.
Robot's passing me up.
The robot's passing you up? Oh no, are you gonna pass him up? And yay! You won! Took a small intermission with a little bit of racing around the roll bar. Anyways, getting back to it. They packaged this thing really well. They got foam around all the bar parts and everything that's in the corners there on all the legs. They put this hard cardboard on the top right here. Appears to be packaged really well, and the hardware has been taped to the bottom there. I don't see an instruction set. The brackets look to be here. I hope it's fairly self-explanatory on drilling holes and etc. So let's get this thing unwrapped and take a look at it. And if you want to guess what color it is, that would go good with Chase, put in the comments. Okay, so there it is. The roll bar, all the packaging off. Man, let me tell you, that thing's got a lot of tape on it. It takes a while to get it off. At first I started unraveling it at the place I could find the tape ends, but it took quite a while. I eventually just ended up using a knife very carefully on the bottom sides of the bar there, and cutting. So if it did get through to the finish, you wouldn't see it. They packaged it really well, so it doesn't go through when you're using a knife, as long as you're using it carefully. On all the seams of the foam, you can just get a razor knife in there and just slide it right through, and you won't cut into any of the finish. So there you have it. We got 1, 2 brackets for the back bottom plates, and 2 brackets for left and right front plates. A package of bolts, and that seems to be it. Again, no, I didn't find any instructions with this, so it must be very self-explanatory. Set it in there, line it up, drill some holes, bolt it down, would be my guess. They don't tell you what size drill bit to use, again, because there's no instructions. I will let you guys know what I end up using here to get this guy installed. We got it all opened up. We are going to remove both of those 2 seats and a lot of the hardware here. Then see where we're at. Probably remove the center console, and once we get all that out, we will get back to you. So we got all the interior out, which I believe is necessary to get the car taken care of as far as the roll bar goes. We do have the pad out for the glass, so just make sure you either put something down there or remove the whole top entirely. I didn't remove the whole top entirely. I don't know whether or not we will have to. I'm hoping that we can get it in without. I will put a few shop towels down there to prevent the glass from just banging directly onto the rear shelf there, to prevent scratches and damage to it. We took out the driver's seat, the passenger seat, the center console, the back padding there, the padding that goes around here as well. Removed the seat belt anchors from the tops only, which go right about here. And hopefully that will give us enough space. You should always remove as many things as possible you think that will get in your way, because then you'll just be fighting with it the whole time, and it'll take you only a couple minutes to take it out. All right, so we're back working on Chase again. We ran into a couple of interesting things. We got no instructions, like I said before, which is a little disappointing. The company Blackbird Fabworks apparently doesn't have any instructions on an NB. So we're going at it with a little bit of ingenuity. And here's 1 or 2 things that I've found out about installing the NB roll bar. The Blackbird Fabworks roll bar in an NB. Depending on which model you have, you may or may not have ABS sensors. Depending on if your car has ABS or if it doesn't have ABS. This particular car here, Lau Pacinos car, Chase, does have ABS sensors, and it was equipped with ABS from the factory. So the holes that they want you to use are not quite lined up, and the holes that they want you to use are where the ABS sensor wires come through in the car. So we have to move those, relocate them, drill new holes for those, also drilling holes for the roll bar. This particular car also has an evap sensor, well actually evac vent, that goes through the rear body in one of where the holes are supposed to go for the roll bar as well. I'm going to point those out. In this model with ABS, as you can see here, I've marked the holes, and one of the holes is here, and another hole goes here. This hole here is where the ABS wire originally came through. So that was already pre-drilled for us, but it's big. This hole here needs to be drilled, and this hole is also pre-drilled, which is an evap vent line. And this is on the passenger side of the roll bar. On the driver's side of the roll bar, mounting holes, there again is the ABS hole. That's a hole we need to drill, and this one here we also need to drill. So we're gonna have to relocate these ABS lines somewhere else. I'm probably gonna put them closer here, since the wiring that it connects to is this one, and it's pretty close to the front of the vehicle. On the back one here, I'm probably also going to relocate it near the front, as it would connect back into here. And I think we'll use this body plug here, since it's already a hole. No sense in drilling extra holes. We'll see how that would change things. On the underside of the car here, you can kind of see I took off the cover that goes here. This is our evap vent, which originally went through that hole there, right there. And this is our ABS sensor wire. And there's the grommet right there, which actually went through that hole there. So we're gonna have to relocate the ABS wire, like I was saying, probably to that one body hole, or that body plug right up in this section here, and just drill that a little bit bigger, and also relocate the vent hole somewhere further up too. So those are the few things that we're running into with the Blackbird Fabworks Rollbar installation on an NB99 with ABS. We'll get back at you. All right, little update on Chase. The Blackbird Fabworks Rollbar is installed. We trimmed up this plate here, that cover plate, and we got the rear deck lid trimmed up. And we got the bar all mounted, and it's pretty solid and sturdy in there, so I think I'm happy with that. We're now gonna finish putting the interior back together and adjust the seat belts, try and trim some of the trim pieces that go around the seat belts and door panels there, because they won't quite fit without some trimming. And get her back together. And that is the update of the GT3 Blackbird Fabworks in Chase, the 99 Miata.